Welcome to my channel, the DIY guy, where we get hands-on. Today I want to show you guys how to install light without having line power going to it. It saves you all those hassle from taking power from the switch, cutting drywalls, taking out baseboard, punching hole through studs, and fishing the line power to the light. This, you can install a light within like 2 hours and have power to it. I'll show you guys how to do it. It's very simple. Let's go. So for this project, you will need a few tools, a stud finder, some short wood screws, a drywall knife, a pencil, a 4x4 electrical box, an impact gun with a Robbie bed for your wood screws. And that's pretty much it. The reason why we're installing a light without any electrical wire going through it is because first, there's no outlet here, and for me to install another outlet to it, I have to steal power from this light switch, fish the line, go down here, punch a hole through the stud, and come back up here to have live voltage for the light. And my wife doesn't want me to do that because that would make a mess. She doesn't like the drywall dust everywhere, and she wants to have something stylish, so she came up with the idea that we just put a light, install a light right here, but we're using a battery powered light. So with a touch of it, the light would come on and it would light up this area. Not too bright and not too dark. It's perfect for nighttime, just to add a little bit of lighting. First, you want to locate where the stud is using a stud finder. So my stud is from here to here. And I probably will put my electrical box on the right side of the stud because that's the most center for me. I'm gonna be putting it right here. So I'm gonna be cutting a hole right here, screwing the electrical box into the stud and have it sit here so I can install my light right here. That's the first step. So after I select the location of the light, I would like to draw the outline of the light so I know where to cut the hole. And that's my location right there. Well, after you've picked the location, you would just want to punch a hole. And then make a round hole so you can install that electrical box, screw it in to the stud right here and hold it in place. Where I'm pointing at is where we're going to mount the electrical box bracket for light, and I want you to unpack that nut so you can adjust the position for it. So this is the final outcome of us securing the electrical box to the stud. The stud is on the left side. As long as you don't cut the hole too big, the base of your light will cover all those ugly cutting right there. So don't worry about it. Now we're just gonna mount the light and everything is pretty much done. And this is where I mount the electrical box bracket for the light. The light will be secured by those two brackets sticking out. You're gonna put 2 screws through that hole. I ordered this light off Amazon. It's just controlled by an on-off switch, and it has a magnet on the back so I can just stick it onto the light. You can pick different styles like remote control or sensors, and this light styles is open all around, so it's easier for me to take it out and charge it again. Here you go, guys. We just installed a light without doing all those tedious work of punching holes through studs and fishing lines through studs and all that. At the end of the day, this is still a hack. The light will light up the hallway, but it won't be as bright as your standard 120 volt light. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to take power from light switches and outlet and pull lines and make a new outlet around your house. So you can have outlets everywhere that you want around your house. See you guys later. Goodbye.